Hey guys, if you're looking for an affordable handheld shower head, this one is really neat. I want to show you some of its features. So first of all, you've got that really bright nickel kind of stainless steel look, which I really like, and it fits here with our theme here at home. It has I call it like a start and stop, but like a stop button right here and a start here, which I'm going to show you in just a second to show you the streams. But before I do, I want to show you that it has an adjustable head that you can spin in 360 degrees, meaning you can turn it any way that you need, including all the way around, and pivot it here on the middle so that you can put it in any direction that you need. It also has 3 settings, and I'm going to show you those right now. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on by just pushing our start button. And this is rain mode. It has a really great stream. You know how sometimes you can do a shower head and the rain mode actually hurts your skin? This one is actually really soft, which I really like. Now by pressing the little adjustable setting, I'm going to go ahead and adjust it. This is the complete opposite end. This is what they're calling like the stream mode. And again, the stream mode is more of a massaging feel, and it's soft, not a really hard, painful, like pelting you kind of feel, which I like. And let's do the middle setting where you're going to get a little bit of both of those worlds. You get the stream mode right here and the rain mode right here, so you get lots of water. But you're having both modes if you have like long thick hair like I do. It'll help you wash your hair easily and also just provides a really relaxing shower. So if you guys are interested in a really affordable and easy to use shower head, this is a good option for you. You want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.